Hello students, after the break, let us start again. Let us go to the next problem. X dy dx is equals to y minus x cos square of y by x. Here you have to find the general solution because no initial condition is given here. X dy dx y minus x cos square of y by x. So from this step we have dy dx equals to y by x minus cos square of y by x. This is number 1. Let y equals to dx. This is number 2. Now differentiating both sides of 2 with respect to x, we have dy dx equals to v plus x dv dx. This is number 3. From 1, 2 and 3 we have v plus x dv dx is equals to v minus cos square of v. V is cancelled from both sides. Now multiplying both sides by sec square v, we have sec square v dv is equals to minus dx by x. Now integrating both sides, you have to write in the next step. I am writing here, but you have to write in the next step, and you have to comment here integrating both sides. Okay. Then you have tan v equals to minus ln of mod x plus c. Now replace v by y by x, so you get tan of y by x equals to minus ln of mod x plus c. This is our general solution of the given differential equation. Next question. Y by x cos of y by x dx minus x by y sin of y by x plus cos of y by x dy equals 0. From this step I am writing in this step x by y sin of y by x plus cos of y by x dy is equals to y by x cos of y by x. Then I am writing dy dx equals to y by x cos of y by x divided by x by y sin of y by x plus cos of y by x. Y by x cos of y by x dx, x by sin of y by x cos of y by x. So here multiply, let it be 1, let y equals to dx number 2. From this we have dy dx equals to v plus x dv dx. This is number 3. From 1, 2 and 3 we have v plus x dv dx is equals to v cos v by, this is 1 by v because this is x by y, 1 by v sin v plus cos v. First multiply both n and e by v, you get v v square cos v by sin v plus v cos v. Now shift this v to the right hand side, you get x dv dx is equals to v square cos v by sin v plus v cos v minus v. Now if you simplify, minus v sin v minus v square cos v, v square cos v will be eliminated, you get here minus v sin v by sin v plus v cos v. In the next step, let us separate the variables. You get sin v plus v cos v divided by v sin v dv is equals to minus dx by x. Now just separate them, you get 1 by v plus cot v dv minus dx by x. Now integrating both sides, we get ln of mod v ln of sin v equals to minus ln of mod x plus c. Here also no initial condition is given. So if you avoid logarithm, then take this constant as ln of mod c, then you get ln of mod v sin v is equals to ln of mod c by x. So you get v sin v equals to c by x. Replace v by y by x, so you get y by x sin of y by x is equals to c by x. So you get y sin of y by x is equals to c. You have to keep the modular sign. Consider c to be positive. Otherwise, you can put not. This is our general solution. Next question. Xy ln of x by y dx plus y square minus x square ln of x by y dy equals to 0. Achha. Look at the fact that here it is x by y, here also this is x by y. So here you have to take x equals to dy and you have to arrange dx dy on the left side. So I am writing in this way: xy ln of x by y dx is equals to x square ln of x by y minus y square dy. from this step we can write dx dy equals to x square ln of x by y minus y square divided by xy ln of x by y. Now divide both n and d by y square and you get x by y whole square into ln of x by y minus 1 divided by x by y ln of x by y. This is our 1. Next, let x equals to dy. This is 2. Now differentiating both sides of 2 with respect to y, not x. Dx dy equals to d plus y dv dy. This is number 3. From 1, 2 and 3 we have d plus y dv dy is equals to, this is d square ln of v minus 1 divided by v ln v. In the next step, this v will be shifted to the right side. And we get y dv dy equals to v square ln v minus 1 by v ln v minus v. So after simplification you get minus 1 by v ln v. Okay. Then separating the variables we get v ln v dv minus dy by y. Now integrating both sides, here you have to do 5 parts. Ln v is your first function, so you have ln v integration v dv minus integration second bracket dv of ln v integration v dv second bracket close then dv is equals to minus integration dy by y. Now you have, this is v square by 2, so half v square ln v minus integration, this is 1 by v, this is v square by 2 dv minus integration dy by y. Then you have half v square ln of v minus, look, half outside, this is v dv, integrate, you get 1 by 4 v square. You get here minus ln of mod y plus c. Now replace v by x by y. You get half x square by y square ln of x by y minus 1 by 4 x by y whole square minus ln of mod y plus c. Now just simplify it. After simplification you will get x square by y square common, and you can write in this way. Take from these two half x square by y square common, then you get inside ln of mod of x by y Here you get minus half plus ln of mod y equals to c. Okay, this is your solution. This is your general solution. Okay. So again, let us take a break. After a short break, I am coming with more problem. Okay.